Hello, I am Arunachalam Muruganantham. I am here at IIT Palakkad. I am here to give a EML talk today. So it's happened in the evening of 15th April 2026. All the students are very responsive and really I am happy to see their involvement and connectivity from the beginning. And you know what my domain is women menstruation. In spite they don't have any problem of hearing this, and they are very keen on how I innovate, how I make it a market success, everything. But after finishing, I allow Q&A session. Here people they bombarded question like anything. I really loved it. All the question I answered very firmly and patiently. Definitely it will helpful to the student, and I'm also happy to give such a speech in IIT of Palakkad. Thank you very much.